Howdy team. Today we're here going to work on Excel Chapter 3. The file we download is called Exploring EO3 Grader A1. When you save it, it'll have students in your name line. You need to file save as and put your last name there. Let's get started. Step 2. Select the range A4 to A10, comma, F4 to G10 and create a cluster column. So we're going to select A4, which is our title, okay, all the way down to A10, so our titles of our genre. Now it's asking us to select a different column that's not connected. Hold your Control button, take your mouse, and then highlight cells F4 to G10. So that's going to take us across category of totals and percents of months. Holding the Control button enables you to continue highlighting different components of your table. Now create a cluster column. Now we're going to go in search of our chart. So we're going to click the Insert tab, which is the third tab on Excel, and we're going to come on all the way over here to the Charts panel. Now Excel will recommend some charts, but also if you don't know what a cluster chart is, if you kind of hold your, it's a cluster column, I apologize. If you hold your mouse over it, it'll show you, here's a column or bar charts. You know, here is line or area charts. Here's pie charts. So you can hold your mouse and discover what these different tools are. We want to go into the column charts, and we're actually looking for a cluster column. Right here, these are 2D, 3D bar, but we want to go to more column charts down here at the bottom. And then that'll bring up all charts. And we've got lines, pies, bars, but remember we're focusing on column. And here's our first choice right here of cluster column. So we're going to double click that. The second part of our step 2 is once you've created a cluster column chart, which we have, way to go, we want to line on the secondary axis of the combo chart. So we're basically going to add another component of the chart. We click on the chart itself. And I double clicked. That brought up the design toolbar, which is exactly what we're looking for. Now we want to come over to the type panel, and we're wanting to change chart type because remember we're trying to add that line of secondary access. Okay, so we click change chart type, and when we do that, we have the option down below of combo. So I'm going to select combo, and then we want to come over here to this second choice. Right now we have a cluster column line chart, but we want a cluster column line on secondary axis chart. Then we look down below, and the cluster column is recording our category totals, okay? And then the line we have up here at the top is recording the percentage of each month, and you can see how it's up at the top of our category totals. So the secondary component, or the line, your secondary axis, is your percent of the month, all right? To wrap this up, we're going to click OK. And you can see how your chart immediately changes to show the category totals in blue, and your category totals are right there. I'm going to close over here so you can see this. Category totals are your blue cluster columns. And then your percentage of the month, I'm going to move over just a little bit more so you can see that. Your percentage of the month statistics are your orange cluster lines, all right, or your orange line, your secondary access line. So Great job. End of step 2.